In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Google Calendar as a Calendly alternative. If you want a simple, free way to let people book time with you without signing up for another tool, Google Calendar has a lot of built-in features that can do the job surprisingly well. We'll walk through the basic layout, how to view your schedule in different ways, how to manage multiple calendars, and how to create different types of entries like events, tasks, and appointment schedules. First, open your browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account you want to use for your scheduling. If you have multiple accounts, double check in the top right corner of the page that the correct one is selected. This matters because any events you create and any links you share will be tied to that specific account. Once your calendar is open, take a moment to get familiar with the main view. At the top right, you'll see buttons that let you change how you're viewing your calendar. You can switch between day, week, month, and even year views. The weekly view is often the most useful for scheduling, because it shows your availability in a clear hour-by-hour layout. However, if you're planning farther ahead, the monthly or yearly views can help you spot busy periods or vacations at a glance. Feel free to click through these options and see which one feels most natural for your workflow. On the left side of the screen, you'll find the list of your calendars. This is where Google Calendar becomes especially powerful as a Calendly alternative. You're not limited to just one calendar. You can add separate calendars for work, personal life, different projects, or even shared team calendars. To add a new calendar, look for the section labeled Other Calendars or My Calendars and use the option there to create or add a calendar. Giving each calendar a clear name and color makes it much easier for others to see when you're actually available, because you can quickly see which blocks of time are already reserved. Now, let's talk about creating things on your calendar. At the top left, you'll see a button labeled Create. This is your main starting point for adding anything new. Go ahead and click it. A small window will open, and from here you can choose what type of entry you want to make. You'll notice that you can create a standard event, a task, or an appointment schedule. An event is what you'll use for most meetings and calls. You can set the time, add guests, and include a video meeting link. Tasks are more for your own to-do items. They appear on your calendar but don't usually involve other people. The most powerful option, if you're trying to replace something like Calendly, is the appointment schedule. This lets you define blocks of time when people can book meetings with you, share a link, and let others choose a slot that works for them, all based on your availability. As you get comfortable with these options, you can combine them to build a simple but effective scheduling system. Multiple calendars to reflect the different parts of your life, clear views to manage your time, and appointment schedules so others can book time with you, all from within Google Calendar.